sagging, bouncing, or uneven floors, standing water or high humidity, nasty odors, or dangerous mold. Crawl space problems don't get better with time, but they do get better when you call APS.
It's the Weather Xtreme video. This is the afternoon edition. This is for Monday, the 4th of April. I'm James Spann. A beautiful day today, but storminess returns to the state tomorrow and Wednesday. There could be a few strong to severe storms along the way, and the rain might be heavy at times. It is that time of the year. Here we go. This is the upper air look across the country today. We have a wavy southern branch of the jet stream with a series of waves, and the first one will produce some rain across the state tomorrow morning. But today, just gorgeous. Lots of sunshine across the state. Closest rain over parts of West Tennessee and Arkansas. Temperatures are well up in the 70s, a few spots around 80, Centerville at 80. Down to the south, it is 80 at Dothan, 79 for Mobile, Meridian, Mississippi at 80 today. There's the watch warning map. The east is quiet, got some wind issues for the northwest United States with high wind watches and warnings in effect for some places there. Severe storms will likely break out tonight in a zone from near Dallas-Fort Worth to Jackson, Mississippi. That's an enhanced risk, level 3 out of 5. We do note there is a level 1 out of 5 marginal risk into southwest Alabama. This is for the activity that comes in after midnight tonight. This outlook extends through 7 a.m. tomorrow. And then after 7 a.m. tomorrow, an enhanced risk from South Mississippi to the southern part of South Carolina. This is the probabilistic outlook. The better tornado opportunities will be in a zone from southeast Alabama through South Georgia. And there might be a strong tornado in there. That would include places like Troy, Dothan, and over into the southern part of Georgia. This is the look at the categories for our state tomorrow. We have a level 3 out of 5 enhanced risk south of a line from near Utah to about Calera and Wadowee. Areas in orange there. There's a slight risk, level 2 out of 5, up to about Fayette, Aniana, and Gadsden, the rest of North Alabama, and a marginal risk. And then on day 3, which is Wednesday, we have an enhanced risk, level 3 out of 5 for places like Tuscaloosa, Birmingham, Anniston, Huntsville, Talladega, Clanton, Lake Martin. And obviously, we'll talk much more about all of this as we go through modeling. Pretty good bit of rain here for the next few days. This is the rain through Monday morning of next week. For most of Alabama, the amounts will be somewhere between 1 and 3 inches. Heavier totals most likely across the southern half of the state. So model fans, here we go, the GFS. This is the 12Z run, valid tomorrow at 4. Upper low across the northern plain states, shortwave coming through the deep south, and it's going to be wet tomorrow at times, not raining all day. So let's look at high-resolution guidance here. This is the NAM, the high-res NAM, valid tomorrow morning at 7. And you can see rain and storms pushing into west Alabama. By 10 o'clock, heavier rain falling in Birmingham, Tuscaloosa, Huntsville. Stronger storms down in South Alabama. And here's the deal. You can see there's really no surface-based instability, none, over the northern half of the state, which means yes, you'll hear thunder and lightning, and the winds could be gusty, and the rain's going to be pouring. But in terms of a tornado and damaging wind, the better chance of that is going to be down to the south across the southern part of the state. That's the STP tomorrow morning at 10 o'clock. The better values across southwest Alabama. And the question is, could more storms form tomorrow evening once that initial batch gets out of here? Maybe, maybe not. Probably not. The high-res guidance here not showing a lot. This is tomorrow evening at 6 o'clock. So in terms of the timing, the window really for the heavier storms on the western side of the state, 6 to 10 a.m. tomorrow. I-65, Birmingham, Huntsville, Montgomery, Mobile, 9 a.m. to 1 p.m. The east and southeast part of the state, Auburn, Opelika, Troy, Dothan, Ozark, noon to 4. And the better chance of severe weather really south of US 80 in the state. For the northern half of the state, there'll be a lot of rain. But as always, we'll kind of watch and see how this thing unfolds and see if the instability can push farther north than expected. So that's tomorrow. Let's look at Wednesday. We have a cold front pushing through with a deep surface low that's over Minnesota. And this is Wednesday evening at 7 o'clock, and you can see kind of a broken band of thunderstorms along the front. The deeper moisture will be out of here Wednesday, but there should be enough left over for storms along the immediate front. And could they be in a line? Could they be more cellular like you're seeing here? That's the big question mark. Now, the one thing for sure, there will be a lot of instability in advance of that cold front Wednesday. The instability values will likely surge to over 2,000 joules per kilogram. That's not a problem. Really not much storm relative helicity. The wind direction is basically unidirectional. So the odds of a tornado just don't look high with this. This is the STP. The values ramp up a little bit. Chance of a tornado is not zero here, but the main threat with these storms will be large hail and damaging winds based on the instability values Wednesday afternoon and Wednesday evening. I'd say the window probably about 3 p.m. until 10 p.m., something like that. And again, we'll need to be weather aware tomorrow and Wednesday and pay attention to warnings if they're issued. And then Thursday, we are colder and drier. The sky becoming partly sunny, highs dropping in the middle 60s. And Friday, parts of North Alabama will stay in the 50s all day with a 540 line down to Birmingham. The sky partly to mostly sunny with a cool breeze. Maybe some snow for the mountains of North Carolina and West Virginia. Saturday, the morning's going to be cold. We'll be down in the 30s, and we might see a little frost. Some of the colder pockets may be making a run for a freeze. And the same thing Sunday. The wind will be lighter Sunday. The frost might be more widespread. And again, colder spots could see a freeze. And this is why we always say wait until April 15th. But the good news, once we get past this cold snap, that should be it for most everybody if you're in North or Central Alabama. Monday, here's a week from today. Little trough coming in, and now we're seeing evidence of some rain in here early next week. The model consistency has not been good. We'll go out 10 days. Thursday of next week, April 14th, big trough in the west, ridge in the east, high amplitude. And under the ridge, we are dry and warm. Rain for Birmingham off the GFS ensemble, the mean about 4 inches between now and the 20th of April. Look at the cool down coming up after reaching a high near 80 Wednesday. Highs 57 to 60 Friday and Saturday, and again, lows in the 30s, and this is for Birmingham. Saturday and Sunday morning, you see 38 for the city, but we all know many spots away from the city will be considerably colder than that. Growers beware. But then we bounce back. We'll be in the low 80s by the middle of next week. And hot off the presses, brand new CPC outlook. This is for April 12th through the 18th. Temperatures here near or maybe a little above average. That's it for the Weather Xtreme video this afternoon. We'll have notes on the blog. The next video here by 6 o'clock tomorrow morning. If you can't catch us this evening on ABC 3340 News at 4, 5, 6, and 10 o'clock. Thanks for watching. Have a great evening and God bless.
Sagging, bouncing, or uneven floors? Call Alabama Professional Services. Standing water or high humidity? Call APS. Nasty odors or dangerous mold? Call APS. Critters, bugs, or other pests? That's right, call APS. It's a fact. Crawl space problems don't get better with time, but they do get better when you call APS. Call Alabama Professional Services today.